Hello everyone! Welcome back to Health Options 101, your go-to channel for all things about health, wellness, and feeling your best. Today, we're diving into the world of aromatherapy, a simple yet powerful way to help you relax and unwind after a long day. Grab your favorite essential oils, and let's explore how this ancient practice can bring calm to your modern life. So, what exactly is aromatherapy? It's the use of plant-based essential oils to promote physical and emotional well-being. The best part? It's easy to do right at home, and it works wonders for reducing stress and tension. Let's start with diffusing essential oils. This is one of the simplest ways to enjoy aromatherapy. Just add a few drops of your favorite oil to a diffuser, turn it on, and let the soothing scents fill the room. For relaxation, try lavender or chamomile. Both are known to calm the mind and promote better sleep. Next, you can use essential oils for self-massage. Mix a few drops with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil, and gently massage it onto your neck, shoulders, or temples. This not only relieves tension but also leaves your skin feeling soft and nourished. Looking for the ultimate relaxation experience? Try adding essential oils to your bath. A few drops of eucalyptus can create a spa-like atmosphere, helping you de-stress and unwind completely. Don't forget the candles for an extra touch of serenity. Another simple method: inhalation. Place a drop of oil on your palms, rub them together, and take a deep breath. This is great for quick stress relief on the go. Oils like peppermint can even help clear your mind and boost your focus. Remember, aromatherapy is all about creating a moment for yourself. Pair it with other relaxing activities like journaling or meditation to make it even more effective. So, there you have it, aromatherapy made simple. Whether it's through a diffuser, a warm bath, or a quick inhale, essential oils can help you relax, unwind, and recharge. Thanks for watching Health Options 101. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthier, happier life. Which oil will you try first? Let us know below, and we'll see you in the next video.